Since the introduction of our innovative new Decora Edge wiring devices, we've been getting quite a few questions about how Decora Edge termination compares to Quickwire, also known as push-in or stabbing termination. Decora Edge takes fast installation to the next level with just 3 easy steps. Push the wire into the color-coded lever terminal. Click the lever door closed, and you're done. The audible click confirms a secure connection. Decora Edge features a unique and patent-pending termination and is not the same as the Quickwire termination that's familiar to many contractors. And Decora Edge is UL approved for use with number 14 or number 12 solid or stranded copper wire, a detail especially valuable to contractors working with number 12 wire. Plus, they're the only residential devices on the market with a quick termination ground wire. Additional Decora Edge advantages include color-coded lever terminals which reduce the risk of miswiring. Lever doors have a snap feature to assure connection has been made. An audible click confirms the lever door is closed. There are no exposed metal parts for enhanced safety. And the strap's unique tongue and groove alignment feature offers quicker trim out on multi-gang installations.